Make a great choice today with
the 2021 SQ7. The Audi SQ7 is an SUV with plenty to rave about. Sleek interior styling is an addition to the sporty seats, superior technology options, and great volume of interior space. Updated exterior features provide the unique Audi look that everyone looks for. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.